you've ever seen these trees with these gorgeous burgundy colored leaves and light pink blooms in the spring, if you look closely enough, you can see that they are actually plum trees. They are mostly grown as ornamental trees and not so much for their fruit, and you'll often find them lining streets or in parking lots. The fruit is edible. However, I think the reason why a lot of people don't harvest theirs is because they can be hard to harvest. Usually ornamental trees aren't going to be in a good spot to put a ladder to get up tall enough to get the plums. Like for me here, I'd be smashing my yarrow, and then I have some rock here that's elevated and I don't want to potentially fall. And even using a fruit picker can be hard, and unless you had one with some smaller gaps, the fruit kind of just falls through or gets stuck like at the top here. The fruit does taste pretty good. I'd treat them like a cherry due to their size. But if you see one of these trees, or if you have one, look out for the plums and give them a try. But if they are too difficult to harvest, don't stress out about them too much, since sometimes they can be more trouble than they're worth.